Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this video is another one of my monthly favourites, and this time it's for the month of June 2020. So the reason I am sat in this room is because my mum has come to visit me in Manchester, and I thought it was a bit rude to kick her out of the living room, so I'm sat in the bedroom to film this video. That is also the reason that this video is a little bit late, and it will actually be coming out at the beginning of July instead of June, but this is about the month of June. So the month of June has been a strange one. We've started to come out of lockdown in the UK, and so I've started to take a little bit of work again. So if you guys follow me over on Instagram, you'll have seen that work's picking up a little bit more. I'm actually getting out and being able to shoot, which is great because it's been something I've been waiting to do for ages. So when it came to actually thinking about what I wanted to talk about in this month's monthly favourites, I kind of struggled because I've not really spent much time trying out new things. It's really kind of been just reverting back to what I was doing before lockdown. So what I thought I'd do is I thought I would talk about two things that have been kind of prominent throughout, especially the month of June, but kind of everything. So there's actually only two things in today's video that we're going to be talking about. The first thing we will be talking about isn't a thing, it's a person. And the second thing is, as per the title of this video, going to be talking about product photography. I will put the timestamps in the description, so if you just want to kind of see one or the other, then that's absolutely fine. But there are only two, so you might as well watch through. So first up, I want to talk about a person, and this person goes by the name of Ksn Beats. If you guys have followed this channel for a while, then you'll know that Ksn Beats not only does the music for pretty much all of my YouTube videos, including this one, he also did all of the music for my homage project, the first phase that was in Croydon. If you haven't already checked that out, it's all on the channel, all 6 episodes. So this month I was able to work with Kofi, Ksn Beats. I know him anyway because I went to uni with him, and yeah, we went and we did a shoot around Castlefield, which is one of my favourite areas to shoot in Manchester. So yeah, the shoot was great. I'll put some photos on the screen, let me know what you think. And yeah, we also filmed an episode of a new series I'm doing over. It was more of a shout out than anything. I just kind of wanted to say, if you're looking for beats for a new song, your YouTube, whatever it might be. Ignore my chipped nail polish, probably should have taken that off. Oh well. Definitely get in touch with Ksn Beats. And I know a lot of you have already kind of DM'd me and stuff and said where'd you get your music from? And I do always put it in the description, but I just kind of wanted to make a point of saying thank you and go and check him out. So on to the next segment and the main part of this video. So as you will have seen when I did my video about product photography at home, over lockdown I have been taking on quite a bit of product work. Obviously it's stuff that I can do at home, I don't have to go out, there's no interaction with other people. So I had 2 more product bits of work this week that I needed to do, and I thought what I would do is invest in some backdrops. So I found this company on Instagram and they are called Raw Backdrops. Ooh. So Raw Backdrops sell these, they're kind of like vinyl sheets. I've got on here. They sell these big vinyl sheets. I don't know if you can tell how big they are here, so I'll put a little clip up. They are 58 by 86 centimeters and they're perfect for product photography, headshots, that sort of thing. So far I've used them on 2 product shoots, and honestly I'm so impressed at the quality of them. They are reversible, so you can get 2 different looks from one of the backdrops. And they are also wipeable, which has been great because one of the products I'm working with is a drink powder thing. So, getting the food or water and stuff on the backdrop doesn't matter. It's just wipeable, can clean it off really easily. But I particularly wanted to shout out Raw Backdrops because not only have they been making my product photography life so much easier, especially from home. I've literally just been using the backdrop and a flash, that's it. I don't own any studio lighting or anything like that. I will link the flash in the description. I will also link the other video for the product photography at home that I did before if you guys haven't checked it out, because there are some tips on kind of how you can utilize things you might already have at home, as well as like editing tips for when you are working with product photography. But yeah, the reason I really wanted to kind of talk about raw backdrops is because they have given me a code that I can share with you guys. So if you are looking for some product photography backdrops or something like that, or headshot backdrops, because you can clip them onto one of those Amazon, you know, cheap things with the bulldog clips, they have given me a code so you can get 10% off. So I will link that in the description as well. I think they're also doing, if you are lucky and you get them whilst you're watching this, an offer for like buy 3 get 1 free, which is brilliant. So I have purchased this marble one that I showed you before. So it's like that, reversible, you can see. I've got this emerald one, and then I've also got this pink one. So it's like pink marbly texture on the front, and then on the back is like, I guess it's like a stone kind of. But yeah, they're really flexible as well, so you can roll them up and move them about, transport them, which is great. I probably will need to take them down to London at some point, so that is really handy. So I will put some examples of the photos I've taken with these on the screen for you to have a look at, but it's really great. I've been using it with natural light and with the flash. They're really big, so what I've been doing is either laying them flat for flat lays on my floor, or sticking them with blue tack and making a bend like I showed you in the previous video. So if you make a curve like this with the backdrop, you can see here, it kind of makes like a little infinity cove for your products. If you have any questions specifically about using these backdrops, drop me a comment in the description and let me know. If you have any questions about anything else, then drop me a comment in the description, in the comments, and let me know. But yeah, as ever, like, let me know, have you guys tried something similar, these kind of PVC, flexible vinyl backdrops? What do you guys use for product photography? Let me know. Product photography is something that I'm trying to get a lot more into. I really enjoy it, and it's been great through lockdown to kind of explore and improve as a product photographer. So if there is something that you think I should have a look at, then let me know in the comments. I honestly think if you are looking for anything to kind of up your product photography game or help you get into it, this should be the thing. I'd say even before a camera, because as long as you've got something that takes photos, these will help you out there. Some of the examples in their Instagram were actually taken with your iPhone. So, you know, if you've got good natural light and one of these backdrops, you can easily use your phone to kind of use them. I will add that this is not a sponsored video. I just thought it was a brilliant product, and yeah, they gave me this 10% discount code for you guys, and I thought, why not make a video about it? As ever, I have got all of my equipment and all the things I used linked in the description. I will be updating those regularly. I have got a few little new things that I am trying out, which will probably be in next month's video. But I will link those in the description so you guys can check them out. But as ever, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will catch you guys in the next one. But until then, thank you for watching, and yes, stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next one.